This is incredibly delicious devil's food cake. This classic cake is so simple and easy to make. Welcome to Kish Pastry. Recipe for the cake. First I'm gonna add this light brown sugar and cocoa powder into this bowl. I'm adding boiling water and mix well all together and make sure sugar dissolve well and leave it aside. Now I'm going to do the batter for the cake. I'm adding butter. This is room temperature butter. And caster sugar. Start beating this sugar and butter. Now I'm going to scrape this bowl. In this recipe you don't have to beat it until it's light and fluffy. Just beat around 5 minutes. Now I'm adding eggs. I'm adding one by one. Again, the eggs also from room temperature. Scrape around the bowl. So this way you will see there's no lumps. So always scrape the bowl when you make a batter. I'm adding rest of the eggs. I'm adding baking powder and bicarbonate of soda. Mix well, and I always want to shift this flour mix before adding to my batter. That way all the ingredients mix well, and if you see any lumps in the flour, you can get rid of it. Now I'm adding plain flour to the butter mix. As I said in the beginning, it's really easy, just mixing all these ingredients. My cake batter is ready. Off from the machine. Scrape the bowl and make sure no lumps left in the bowl. I'm pouring in the wet ingredients. Now mix all the ingredients together. I'm going to use a whisk. That's easy to do this job. You will end up with a runny batter. My cake tins are already greased and lined with parchment paper. I'm using 3 6-inch cake tins today. I recommend use 4 of these because it took quite a long time to bake this in 3 tins. And if you want to do 8-inch, this batter or this recipe is enough for 2 8-inch tins. And now I'm going to bake this cake at 170 C, that is Celsius, for 25 minutes to 35 minutes. Cake is ready out from the oven. Still it's warm, but I'm going to take this off from this cake tin and leave it on a wire rack to cool down. Meantime, I'm going to do the buttercream, chocolate buttercream to frost this cake. This is simple buttercream recipe, and check my other buttercream recipes also. I got the link on top. My Italian buttercream and French buttercream recipes I did previously. I'm adding butter into the bowl. This is room temperature butter, and first I'm gonna beat this butter before adding the icing sugar. Now add icing sugar to the butter. I'm gonna cover the machine with the kitchen towel to prevent the mess. The rest of the icing sugar into the bowl. Again, cover it and mix it in slow speed, not to make a big mess. Vanilla essence, scrape the bowl now. I got melted chocolate I'm adding now. Let it mix. And now I'm adding cocoa powder. Combine all together. Again, scrape the bowl and the buttercream is ready. I got the cake now, it's cold. I'm going to slice one into two so I can sandwich with my buttercream. Now I'm going to use my buttercream and stack this cake. Generous layers of buttercream between cakes. Check my other buttercream recipes too. I got very light and fluffy Italian buttercream recipe in one of my previous videos, and rich and delicious French buttercream recipe. Cover the whole cake with the buttercream. I'm going to use my small palette knife to make an impression. Just lightly press and turn the cake around. I made small batch of ganache to go on top of this cake to give more flavor and color. Spread the ganache on top, and I'm piping some buttercream. Pretty easy to make, but delicious devil's food cake. Made these chocolate shavings to go on top. And I'm placing some chocolate shavings around the cake. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it. If you got any questions, leave it in the comments. Subscribe my channel, and I will see you with another video.